maliwanag na po ang panawagan ni Brother Alex Irasga para sa mga deboto at attendees ng ating kapistahan. But I think that's good enough already. It's very clear. The message is very clear. But I would like to take this opportunity to thank all national government agencies. On behalf of the people of Manila, ay pinagpapasalamat namin na maraming ahensya ng national government na tumutulong upang maging banal, ligtas at maayos ang ating kapistahan ng Pong Nazareno sa 2026. So kami talagang pinagpapasalamat namin yun. At gusto ko rin kayong i-update that the other day I asked the City Engineering Office to update me regarding to our request to certify bridges in the City of Manila where our procession or translation will pass through. And we got already the certification. We will furnish you the copy of it. The Quezon Bridge, Arlegui Bridge 1, Carlos Palanca Bridge, Ayala Bridge, at base sa kanilang pagsisiyasat ng mga ininyero nila ng DPWH, based on 2025 Road and Bridge Inventory Assessment of this region, the above mentioned 4 bridges are rated to be fair in condition. So this is a very important matter to us as a city government that we are being assured by the national government na ligtas sa tawirin ang ating mga tulay. Because as you all know, some of our bridges are being fixed by the national government through DPWH. So all in all, okay naman. At gusto lang namin i-share this sa inyo kung sakaling kakailanganin ninyo on top of the paalala ni Brother Alex Irasga. Meron din po kaming paalala. Bilang pagtugon sa panawagan at adhikai at tema na kapistahan ng Pong Nazareno sa 2026 na pinamumunuan ng simbahan. Yung itaas natin ng Diyos, ibaba ang sarili. In line with that, I already created some measures that will strengthen the direction, request of the church, the leadership of the church. Na sabi na ni Brother Alex, ito naman ang amin. Wala pong mag-iinom sa kalsada. Wala pong gagamit ng paputok at magtitinda ng paputok. Kukumpiskayin po namin lahat. Hanggat maaari, ipagdiwang natin doon ang kabanalan. And kung gusto rin naman natin magsaya, wala naman pong aawat. Pero meron po tayong takdang responsibilidad sa ating sarili, sa ating paniniwala, at sa ating kapwa mamamayan. So, these things, these measures were already sent to the general public the other day during the Talk to the People of yours truly. And inuulit ko lang, dagdag paalala, ito naman ay pangkalahatan para sa kaligtasan ng mga tao. At through your help sa ating mga media, sa akin namang mga kapitbahay sa Metro Manila, ibang tao. Sa mga araw na iyon, 8 at 9, kung wala rin naman po kayong mahalaga at importanteng lakad, ay suggestion po namin, huwag muna kayong dumako sa lungsod ng Manila because our streets will be challenging. Kung halimbawa naman, ay dadako dala ng ating pagsimba at pakikilahok sa kapistahan, ay tingnan po ninyo ang katulad ng sinabi ni Colonel Ines kanina, yung mga pages ng Manila Public Information Office kung saan maaari kayo makaparada, makadaan at mga iiwasang kalsada dahil ito naman ay magsasara. So muli po sa ating mga media, baka kakailanganin nyo ito as you've been noticing for the past two major activities in the city of Manila. There is an innovation that the city government did, extending medical personnel and emergency personnel courtesy of your city government in the past two activities last November and September. But for purposes of baka kailanganin ninyo, meron po kaming 8 staging area. Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila, Calao Maria Rosa staging area, Natividad staging area, San Marcelino staging area, Menjola staging area, Far East Air Transport Incorporated staging area, and P. Gomez staging area. Kung pwede, kung gusto nyo i-access yung aming CCTV monitoring, we would like to welcome you to the office of MDRRMO so that you will have a bird's eye view of the activities, because maybe some of your equipment na hindi ko na i-detalye, baka yung ibang equipment ninyong gagamitin to have a visual or bird's eye view visual ay hindi nyo magamit. So you may might need some visual. We would like to extend assistance to each and every one of you, that you will have an access through Director Arnel Angeles in our command center in the city government. That yun po ay nasa City Hall. At yung iba naman sa inyo yung pamilya na doon. So now I'm giving you authority, privilege to come and take and use this data. You have now authority to use the data or the recording or those video. Now, dadagdag ko lang, no? Ang 2 main command posts nasa kalsada, on top of that MDRRMO, yung nasa Cartilla at P. Gomez. So these are the areas na maaari ninyong, halimbawa, dahil napapansin ko naman, may mga insidente kasi na may mga media, tinutulungan nila yung mga na-aksidente o nasusugatan. Ayan po yung mga area na maaari ninyong punta. Pangatlo, kami po ay nananawagan sa sasakay sa kapistahan o translasyon na makikipaghari mo na. Maghahanap buhay ba? Yan hindi naman natin maiwasan. Ayaw ko rin naman ipagdamot. Pero may kaukulang pong responsibilidad. Iwasan po ninyo na yung mga stick ng fishbone, ng mga kikiam, and so on and so forth, na itapon sa kalsada. Sapagkat marami sa deboto natin nakapaa. Marami. Generally, if not all. And this may cause harm to others. Or huwag magbebenta ng mga botelya. At kung meron mang plastic, lagay niyo po sa tamang sisidlan. And sa inyong karanasan, under our watch, while umuusog ang translasyon, nasa likuran niyan ay ang pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila, ang ating Lionel at DPS at engineering. Para nga sa ganoon, as we move forward and closer to the church, maliwalas na muli ang ating lungsod. But, siyempre talagang may maghahari mo nandyan. Magtitinda. Yun lang ang panawagan ko. Huwag nilang harangan ang mga kalsadang nasaan na, naitakda na, at nailaan na sa ating mga devotees. As you all know, since last night, Villalobos, Hidalgo, Evangelista, surrounding the church is clear of any obstruction. And these are not new. These are normal practice of your city government to ask our vendors in the area na wag muna at this time. So, other than that, if you have any more question, I'll give the floor to everyone. So muli po, ay tumugon po tayo sa panawagan ng national government, ng local government, men and women uniformed personnel, at higit sa lahat ng panawagan ng simbahan. Ang dahilan bakit tayo magsasama-sama sa Audio at Magandang pagpalayo kayo ng Roma.